permits for a better closure too, so we'll go this one as well. This one, what this one's going to help us do is advance that 90, the 180 a little bit more so that it doesn't have a tendency to want to roll up back out.
Okay. So it's going to tuck in the 90 a little more tighter, right?
The 180 actually.
180, okay. This is stage 2?
3.
Okay. That one's stage 2 as well.
But the thing, see how you guys were doing it in the shop though, Abraham, where you said, oh yeah, it ran great in the shop.
Right.
We only did, that's our 4th one, and it's already done that.
Yeah.
See what?
I agree. Yeah, there are going to be variations with
Being in the field.
yeah.
But really, when it comes out of the shop, it should be able to do this whole thing, right? Because it's set for that.
It's set for it, but even then, like you're saying, in the shop, we're working on a prefabricated substrate.
Like a perfect
level.
Yeah.
So all of those factors take place. All of those factors do take place.
Now you did the second one a quarter?
Half.
2, 3.
Second one?
Second one's a half.
No, the
Second one half, the third one full, and then the last one. Let's go full turn to tuck it even tighter, to make it even tighter. Or we can go half a turn if you want. Whatever you're more confident with.
I just want to do it so I don't gotta mess with it, so it does the whole thing.
Yeah.
Because the closing seems to be still working okay, huh?
Yeah.
I don't want to go too far either.
I think it was just that 90 tug maybe.
You know, I cheat, I use the same tool too.
Yeah, that one kind of get a little.
Okay. Let me take another visual on it. It's tight, looks good. It's good. Okay, alright.
See what I'm saying about, like, when I did all those Butler seamers, how they would have a feeler gauge in for each.
Right.
That way, if you did 100 panels, you could turn the machine over and gauge it to make sure it wasn't going out or you know, if you had to tighten it up.
Yeah.
Now, do you want to start from the bottom again, or just start from where it jumped off?
You won't be able to start there unless you turn it all the way back to a 90.
Yeah, you won't be able to. But you can start
Like stage 2 right there somewhere?
Yeah.
Hey, try to pin this.
Let's try that.
Try to.
Yeah, hold on.
Huh?
Hold on a second. Let me see these two right here. I'm gonna see if I can rectify it here. Yeah, it looks like it's grabbing. Alright, so three will be here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay? A little bit
down,
right around there. So let me grab that. Number 3. And then number 2. See if it's, let me lift up on it just a hair. Right there. And then number 1. Okay, ready?
Nope.
Okay, let's scoot up a little. We'll start a new stage number 3 up further on. Yeah, we'll start around right here. It's going to be kind of tricky because you're trying to catch it at midpoint, you know?
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna get it right there, Abraham.
No.
I think you're gonna have to go up.
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah, you could probably come down right in there.
Around there.
Maybe. Part of it is because it's such heavy gauge.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? There it goes. It's starting to go.
It's starting to go?
It was starting to go, yeah.
No.
Huh?
It teeters on up.
Get that board over there, dude.
So yeah, what'll happen is when you do that, you'll just have to pull away. I don't think it should do that.
It shouldn't. That's the whole problem I've had with trying to figure out why it was doing that. I knew how to seam. It was just why was the machine doing it like that? You know what I'm saying? Does that, like right here, that was only 4 seams. That other seamer was only 6, and it did it.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm trying to figure out what's causing it.
Yeah.
Because like if this was me, right, and I called you up today in Ontario and said, hey, it's not working, what would you tell me? It worked great.
Yeah, it worked great at the shop.
That's what I'm saying. There you go. Do a little bit more right there. Do it a little bit right there, dude, and then you'll be able to get the. There you go. There you go. You'll be able to get that on there now.
Go for it. You want to try it? Lean into it with your. Oh, that tends to ramp away. Try to hit it down a little bit more, dude. There you go. You know what? Before you do that,
Hammer.
do this.
Try to.
Go a little bit further with the hammering, huh?
Hammer.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Well, what I was gonna say is, it's really hard to get that angle there because it's a little bit wider now.
So should we start it back here and try to just kind of?
Yeah. Exactly. Maybe with this, with the hand, with the.
I don't think.
Okay. Now that we have a down slope, why don't we try the machine line? We'll try the machine line back there.
I think it's got to go up more, don't it? Or
Yeah,
no?
right around. Right there. Right there. Let me know if it's already got a negative rake on it.
Yeah, that's pretty tight.
No, not quite.
Not quite.
Probably pull back just a little bit. Right around there, maybe. And then this one, that real tough. Almost tough.
It shouldn't be that tight though, should it?
No, it's because right now we're buckling the material. If you reach in there, you'll see that it's already really narrow. What do I do this? You run it, and I'll.
Ready?
Yeah, go for it. There you go.
There it goes.
All right. Lean this way. And try.
Whoa. Doing the same thing, man.
Something's that material is already damaged at that point. We're probably gonna have to
Yeah, but
start from.
you didn't even go up. He didn't even go up that far.
Yeah.
Go.
You'll see.
Try it right up there then.
Yeah, let's go on up here. Let me before you do, let me advance the third the partial. Okay. Around here. So number 3, right here. Yeah, right around there. And we'll use the same technique there. You turn it on.
Okay. Again, let me full start it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I may have gone too far down. on there. Is that too tight? You don't happen to have one of those S5 clips?
No.
You don't have one here?
No.
So that we could gauge it?
No.
Yeah, let me borrow your tape measure. Do you have one? Because if it's too tight, you might want to back off on it a little.
Okay.